Hey, good morning. Hello, hello, hello. Nansa, Mr. Halfop, a true gentleman. Good morning. Verdis, good morning. Gravity, Tom Gravity, good morning. Silvio, Nansa. Morning, guys. Sunday morning. Let's have a coffee together. Morning. How is everyone? Huh? Yeah, grab a coffee, grab a coffee. Gustavo, buenos dias. Natsa, good morning. Very well, and you? I'm quite good. Quite okay. How about you and your family? Everyone is doing fine. It's holiday. Uh, we are, you know, just spending time together. It's a nice period of the year, time of the year. Wait, yeah, regarding the burn layers, dread not. Wait 2 more days, yeah? So today I have scheduled tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Wait tomorrow for the video with the burn layers. Bogdan, n-ați YouTube jale? Adică, de ce spui asta? How are you the guru? I missed the coffee time for long. Yeah, now you have the opportunity to have a coffee with us. Alin, mulțumesc frumos. Yeah, now we have the live chat. Thank you. That's it, guys. Greetings from Norway. Thank you. Good morning. Hello, Sorin. Thanks for the thermal camera. I receive it. I'm happy to hear that. So probably the thermal camera goes to Pakistan. So you're from Pakistan, right, Nico? Yeah, Nico. Yeah. Nico from Discord. Yeah. Yeah, the postage was mad expensive. And you know what? Well, remember last live stream I said the postage was more expensive than the item? Then don't worry, when the people got the things, they have to pay custom fee. So the product got even more expensive. Sorin, can you repair iMac 27-inch motherboards? I never done it because they're quite old, and any repair you have to do there, you have to take the motherboard out, and everything. It's like Apple, like very complicated. You have to pay $22 to receive it. Yeah, I know. The guy with from Serbia with the microscope told me the same thing. He has to pay some money. I mean, even if I write, I don't understand because I said on the custom declaration on every item, it's a gift. So why you still have to pay custom fee if it's a gift? I don't understand. What's the point saying the product is a gift if you still have to pay custom fee? Morning, Nansa. Anyone knows What's the story with the gift? Then there's no point saying it's a gift. Dar de ce ai plecat din România? Păi când am mai avut bani să mănânc, a trebuit să plec, nu? Nu? Tu cum ai face? Ai face la fel. Bruno, good morning. Because everybody use this method to avoid taxes. You know what, Silvio? I believe that's true, but that doesn't mean they have to punish me. I have a customer, the only customer. You remember the one with the issue? They sent me a job from United States, and the custom emailed me, told me to pay the fee, the custom fee. So I have to email them back and show them proof. Actually, this is a repair, and it's not like I'm buying something. And yeah, that's pretty sad. I mean, clearly the item was a gift, like a giveaway gift. Moldo, good morning. Bruno, good morning. If it's more expensive than $20, it's not a gift. Okay, what about if I gift a laptop? It's more than $20, but it's still a gift, so it doesn't really make sense. Aline, the moment AliExpress entered on the market, they mention only gift on the packages. So the authorities start to tax no matter what. Yeah, but you cannot punish, everyone for a bad guy. You know what I mean? It's not fair. And I seen that on many things, especially on the games I'm playing. You see, so you have few people doing a bad thing, and what will happen? The game developer, it will take decisions based on like few people. It doesn't matter the other 1,000 people playing. No. What is your advice for a laptop repair beginning? Try to get like basic electronic knowledge, and I will say it one more time, and I said it 1,000 times. Start playing with the electronics. Don't start repairing. Yeah, start playing. Start building things. I mean, the level of satisfaction, soldering components together and actually making something. Yeah, even if it's making a noise. Yeah, it's very rewarding. So the repair phase should be the last phase on your learning process. Now I want to ask you something, guys. Maybe I can post a poll. What do you think about that? A poll? Start a poll. Yeah, we can do it. I'm just curious because I spoke with Temu, and believe me, they are like extremely professional. I have no issue. Like they have dedicated person, to speak with the content creators and things like that. And they booked in 3 more videos with me, which I said yes. But then I think, maybe I should ask your opinion about that, because if the viewers they don't want anything with Temu, then yeah, it's no point doing videos. But on the other hand, I told them about the giveaway. Yeah, so look, the giveaway. So actually, everything was more expensive compared with the item itself. And they said, okay, sorry, no problem. Do the giveaway next time, and just tell us the user Temu account, and we will gonna send the giveaway items for them. Which was like, that's fantastic. So yeah, just want to ask you what we should do. Good morning. Fardes, thank you very much for your donation. Thank you. What software do you use for tracking repairs? Nothing. No software. So, tracking repairs. When a customer is booking in a job through the website, yeah, I get an email on Gmail. Yeah, I'm using Gmail account because I had so many issues before with like domain email account. Like the emails are getting blocked and stuff. And I get the email with a unique service request number. So from there, because the communication is only over the email, so from there I'm just speaking with the customer over the email, and yeah, nothing else. So it's quite simple. I mean, I carry the conversation over the email. When the job is ready, I go on PayPal. Do I invoice on PayPal? Yeah, no card, no card. I'm trying to give the people, the feeling of trust. When you see PayPal, okay, I trust PayPal, but just paying on some uh, particular card account, it doesn't feel safe. I mean, I will never use my card to pay things. I'll always use PayPal. So I understand the people feeling about paying with the card. Always, when you have a payment only by the card, something is dodgy there. Yeah, either it's a big company or it's just sketchy. But yeah, the customer paying with the PayPal, and I had no case, like no case from where I started like 2 years ago. Not a single case where the customer opened a case on eBay to ask for money back. Never. I never had issue. So I'm quite happy. I'm quite happy. FLM, good morning. What do you use for replacing the foam tape which glues the LCD screen? LCD screen on a borderless TV. Silvio, I stopped fixing TVs the moment I left the shop. Foam tape which glues the LCD screen. Not sure. I must have a power supply for charging ports. And a voltage injection tool, or I can have both on. No, FLM, what do you want? You want one tool, your lab power supply, to use it for everything, yeah? Like for the laptops, like what I have, yeah? Everything I'm doing with my linear power supply. Bruno, thank you. Thank you. I'm happy. I'm happy that helped you. Thank you. Even if I... One second, what the Bogdan is saying? Even if I short the probes, I still get 0.86 and the voltage doesn't drop at all. On a power supply, I can't see how. What is the difference between a linear power supply and the digital one? It's the difference between a linear power supply and a switching power supply. The difference is a linear power supply has a transformer, and it's nothing switching there. A switching power supply, it's a switching power supply. Hey Nagi, good morning. Okay, Bogdan. Let's see what Bogdan said. Anyways, I asked a question, but I didn't get the answer. My power supply, exactly like yours, doesn't push more than 0.87 amps at 1 volt. I think you make a confusion. When you push current, it's about the load resistance. So I cannot push current in, I don't know. I think I can prove you better using my current resistor. I can prove the point. 1 second. I have a big current resistor here. It was here. What is it? Okay, it's not here anymore. No, it's not here anymore. Okay, it's about the load, yeah? So obviously if you have a high resistance load, you cannot push current. I mean, you see, like, I want to push current in what? And no, how can I show? I have no load here. Even a light bulb. Not even a light bulb. How is possible? Yeah, I can't show you. Anyway, let's switch to 1 volt. You can't push current because of the power supply. 1 second. Power supply. And I have to bring it over the chat. Yeah, that's fine. Because the resistance load. Yeah, if you have no resistance, it's taking no current. When you have low resistance, then it's taking a lot of current. So just to prove the point, if the power supply is good, just short the probes. If you short the probes, the current is going up. If you short the probes, you can adjust the current basically from like 0 to whatever you want. That's because of the resistance, yeah, of my probes, yeah. So here is a circuit, okay. So it is matter where you try to push the current, the resistance of the circuit, yeah. Hopefully you understand. Because I have people asking me, sorry, how can I push current? Because I can't push current. Of course you cannot. It's all about the load resistance. Yeah, but if you short the probes at 1 volt, you get 5 amps. You don't, then your power supply is faulty, or your power supply has a short circuit protection. Yeah. So not sure if you have a lead. You said you have a linear power supply like mine. Then it's faulty. You should be able to push how much current you want. Please, can you please explain the pre-charge current? Selena, the batteries, if the battery is over discharged, you have to charge it with very low current, yeah, to bring it to the point. A lithium cell, yeah. So let's say the lowest possible or lowest safe is like around 3.5, 3.6 volts. Now, if your battery has 3 volts, that's, is too low. So you have to bring the battery from 3 volts to 3.6 with very low current. When the battery reach 3.6, then you push full amount of current till the battery is fully charged, which is 4.2 volts. So that's the purpose of the pre-charge current, to protect the cell. Because obviously, if you push high current and the cell is very discharged, then you just take a little bit from that cell life. Do you think that a repair shop is profitable in this time? Yeah, why not? I mean, I said it many times. I know shops, they don't have even a multimeter, and they are doing very good. I mean, you have so many things to do. You have like screens, hard drives, keyboards, then you have phones and tablets. You have screens, you have batteries, you have charging ports. You have so many things to fix. Then you can have services like, okay, phone charge service, print service, top up service. You can do so many things. So yeah, you can make it work. Yeah, Tristan Boyle. Yeah, I know you see me. Yeah, you see that there are. You said that there is a word. I don't know if it's this. This is a. It's a quote. I don't know if it's applying on different language, but on my language, Romanian, is saying, "Don't do what the priest is doing. Yeah, do what the priest is saying." So don't take my videos like, okay, I have to do it exactly the same. Yeah, I mean, don't get me wrong. Yeah, even if I come with high current when the cell has low voltage, doesn't really anything happen. I mean, no, not really. I mean, you eat a little bit of light from that battery, but how much? Probably 0.0 something. Just to give you an idea. Do you miss working in the shop, Sorin? You know what? We have a situation here, and the owner of the shop want to speak with me regarding his computer shop, because our people they are meant to leave from September, and he contacted me and he said we have to speak about this, and it is possible, but just a very small possibility to go back to that shop. So I'm not sure what should I say, because I have a lot of work here at home. So in like the big picture is like, okay, I'm making more money, but actually I don't, because I'm missing the work from home. But somehow I miss the how can I say, the shop life. The shop is it's in a shopping center. It's a lot of people, and you will see a lot of things, like a lot of laptops, phones, and Yeah, kind of missed that time. Do you miss the company, the people? I mean, mostly I work with Diana there, and we had good time. Then different people appeared there, and it was fine. Yeah, I can't say anything bad. No, it was okay. Yeah. Can you make video from there? Hmm. Yeah, tricky. Tricky. So I will publish after I close the live stream. I will publish a video about shorting MOSFETs. Yeah, that will be fun. Yeah, I had a job. Oh, this is not charge also. Yeah, it was a funny video. It was a funny video. You will like it. And tomorrow, Acer Nitro, where I drill the board. Yeah, again, we say hello to my little friend. Bogdan, laptopul lui David, Carbon X1. Stai numai puțin, era clientul tău? Da, ăla. Despre ăla e video care o să-l... Stai numai puțin să mă uit. Sper că nu se vede pe ecran, nu? Nu se vede. Cred că yeah, David. Da, el e. Da, i-am făcut laptopul, da. Deci tu ai lucrat în el sau cine? Deci cineva a lucrat, a scos niște MOSFETs afară. Sorry guys. I removed the PCH and few pads went also. It is hard to mark. It will be hard. You have to do like micro soldering and try to stick with the UV gel, the pads back. But it is complicated. Băi, Bogdane, deci la am făcut o lipitură și gata, am reparat laptopul. Mi-a fost și rușine să-i cer banii care i-am zis, înțelegi? Și am cerut mai puțin, pentru că, într-adevăr, cineva a scos MOSFET-ii afară, dar eu am făcut scurt și gata, la revedere, merge. Sorry, guys, sorry. It was about a job which one from the chat sent a customer here. It's about the today video, yeah? It's about the today video with shorting the MOSFET. You will see. You will see after the live stream. Can you do a micro soldering tutorial on YouTube? Yeah, but I don't know about what. Microsoft soldering about what? Because I'm explaining on every video, the temperature I'm using. We're using, soldering rosin. I'm using my solder paste, yeah, which is fantastic when I need it, of course. Then I'm using the solder wire, which I'm selling on eBay, you know, the 180 degrees or 190 degrees one. This is the dual core one. And this one is the single core. Rosin core, sorry. How is the weather? Fantastic, like 23 degrees, sunny, proper nice weather. Sorry, I miss Sammy. Not sure who is Sammy, Mr. Mario. How to do solder wires to CMOS battery? How to solder wires to CMOS battery? Like a round coin cell battery? Probably it will blow up if you try to solder, if you try to heat up that battery. Got my thermal microscope this week. Looks nice. Only downside, it is to zoom in. Remember, I said that in the video. I said that. You think I can put? I believe you can. I believe you can. You can somehow adapt. But more than that, I believe that. But that's what I believe without opening that microscope. Probably if you open the lens, somehow you have to adjust. You can adjust the lens inside. I mean, you should be able to adjust because, like everything, like even my microscope has like a small lens. You can adjust it and change the focus. Yeah, but it's not about the focus. Yeah, you're right. It's not about the focus. It's about the focal range. Yeah, try to use the borrow lens. Yeah. It's okay if my laptop take 10 milliamps without the battery plugged in. Yeah, 10 milliamps is fine, Sultan. 10 milliamps is okay because you have the 3.3 volts power supply, which is on. Then you have the EC chip, which is taking power from that 3.3 volts power supply because the EC chip is always on. Andre, good morning to all. Draco, good morning. Random restarts on a laptop after liquid damage cleanup. What could be? Darius, you answer yourself to this question. Liquid damage. Yeah, that can be anything. You can have a rusty component which, sometimes touching, sometimes not. You have a rusty capacitor, which is important, some important capacitor there. Do you repair that electronic cigarette? Not this one. I repaired different ones, but not this one. Allah, good morning. The Wi-Fi doesn't work. What do you think? I think you should replace the Wi-Fi. If it's the one solder on the board, you can desolder and replace it. Or even cheaper, you buy a USB Wi-Fi dongle. And with a USB Wi-Fi dongle, it's like £10 and you solve the problem with the Wi-Fi. Salina, I have no idea why they don't ship in Ghana. Not sure. You can ask them. I replaced a MOSFET on the CPU turbo because it was shorted. But now I don't have 21 volts on the gate. It doesn't make sense. CPU turbo. So the CPU turbo, you mean that coil which is coming on when the CPU is boosting the clock, right? Which is higher in the clock. You don't have 21 volts on the gate there. You have two MOSFETs. You have a switching power supply with two MOSFETs. And the signal is coming from the driver. But it's not 21. You have no output because the driver is not... That power supply is started only when the CPU is rising the clock. Otherwise, you will have 0 volts there. But that power supply has to be working when you start the laptop. So if you think you remove the MOSFET and the laptop it will still start? No, because when you start the laptop, the BIOS, it will bring up that power supply to check if the CPU is good. And it will not work. We had a video, I think like 2 weeks ago, and I tried to swap the MOSFET from that power supply to the other vCore, and didn't work. What is the difference between solder paste and solder wire? The solder paste, it's 140 degrees solder paste, and I'm using when I want to lower the temperature on a solder area. Let's say, I don't know, different charging ports, different stuff. You can use solder paste, so you have 140 degrees to use. If I have 140 degrees, I will come with 200 degrees with my hot air, and I will not melt the plastic from the charging port USB or connectors. Yeah, connectors. If you replace connectors, yeah. James, good morning. Having a cool cold beer here? Yeah, I'll have one later. Today I have planned a barbecue. One Ras, coffee time. Hello, thank you. Good morning. I can get pads for IC repairs on that. I seen that copper pads, but somehow I still prefer the wire. Yeah, I know, I seen it. It's a guy where I worked before, and he bought a lot of pads, like repair pads, but I still prefer the wires. But you can try, yeah. If that works for you, it's fine. Don't take my word. If it doesn't work for me, that doesn't mean it will not work for you. Yes, Sylvie, yeah, that's right. Actually, you'll do more money with that piece of wire compared with any other component. BQ chip is not hot, even with the laptop power down. But the BQ chip have nothing to do with the laptop turning on. Get stuck halfway through the boot sequence. The BQ chip have nothing to do with this. And it will not take 10 milliamps. Good morning. Best regards from Ukraine. Good morning. Pierre. Hi, I'm Roundon. I love you. Love you too. Good morning. Have you any video how to use the multimeter on laptops, how to check chips lines? I do have few videos for like beginners. Maybe it's a good idea to check them. I mean, on the channel are over 1,000 videos. I'm pretty sure you'll find some info from there. Okay, guys, it was like 40 minutes. I think I will stop now. I just want to thank you for being here, having a coffee with me. For me, it means a lot. Sorry, you mentioned Temu. Was wondering, do you promote AliExpress? I did get a collaboration from AliExpress, but it was something more complicated. So what they want is not for my age. So I told them, I'm not good for that kind of video. But with them, I was okay. I mean, they didn't want to promote products, so the products I pick up the products. It was all about new users, getting more new users. Yeah. So guys, thank you for being here. Have a beautiful Sunday. I promise you. I stop this video. I will publish the other video with the Lenovo. So you have something to watch. I use your Temu code. Works perfect. Thank you very much. Thank you. So have a beautiful Sunday, and see you in the next 5 minutes. Yeah, I will upload some video. Also, I have a video for members. So see you in the next one. Right? Thank you for being here. Happy Sunday.